Advanced YouTube SEO. So make sure you're logged into your YouTube account, navigate to the video you want to optimize, and click the Edit Video button below that video. So now we're on the Edit YouTube Video page. First, you want to make sure your video is public. Next, choose a playlist for your YouTube video. Playlists add another layer of SEO, or search engine optimization, to your YouTube channel by creating search keyword-rich playlist names. Think of playlists as categories for your YouTube videos. YouTube playlists are great for keeping people not only on your YouTube channel, but watching videos for a longer time. So to do this, I cut up my videos into a series like Netflix and add them all into a single YouTube playlist. You can even name the varying videos in the playlist with an episode number at the end. Then set the end screen suggested video for the next video in the series to let the viewer know they can click to watch the next episode in the series. For example, Facebook Retargeting Ads Mastery, Episode 1. So just go to youtube.com/view_all_playlist. Then you can edit your current playlist or click that new playlist button. So when you edit your playlist, just click and drag the videos to rearrange them in the order you want them to play. Next are cards. Click the cards option to add relevant external info cards to your video. Select the type of external card you want to add to your video. It can be a video or playlist, a channel, a poll, or a link. So I selected the link option. Here you can select the YouTube account's associated website, Coursenvy.com. Then click the Next button. So give your card a title, add the required text, including a call to action and a teaser text, then click the Create Card button. Next, drag your card in the video timeline to the area you want it to appear. For example, if you mention a link during the video, add the card at this time. Typically, I will add the card right at the beginning. You can create up to 5 cards per video. Once complete, click the Return to YouTube Studio button. Next are end screens. Click the end screen option to add directions for the viewer of what you want them to view or do next. Select the elements you want to add to your video's end screen. This outro portion of your video can be up to the final 20 seconds of your video. So drag this bar to where you want your end screen to begin in these final 20 seconds. For our clients at Coursenvy, we create a default outro video that we add to the end of all their YouTube videos. We use the following static format to the left. This enables us to not only add end screen elements right on top of the outro video, but also do a voiceover asking viewers to subscribe, like, comment, watch more, click the link, and any other call to actions we want. We always set the outro length for the full end screen duration of 20 seconds. I like to give the viewer as many options as possible to continue engaging with me at the end of the video. This includes adding a video, a subscribe, and a link. Unless you have a video directly related to this video you want to specifically choose, for example, the next episode in a series playlist, that part 2, and so on. If not, I will select the best for viewer option. This enables YouTube to use their algorithm to pick your best video for this viewer. Next, drag the video to where you want it to appear on your end screen. Next, I add the subscribe element and drag that to where I want it to appear, typically under a call to action such as this one, click here. Finally, I add the link element. I will name that link element, select the call to action, and then click Create Element. Drag the link element to where you want it to appear in this outro or end screen, and then click that Save button at the top. Next, on your YouTube edit page, click the Advanced tab, then click the gray Automatic YouTube Subtitles CC button, In the drop-down, select Edit. On the Subtitles and CC page, you can edit or unpublish your current automatically created closed captions. YouTube is not perfect, so I always suggest checking for errors. I also advise stating your main target keywords throughout your video, because subtitles and captions are crawled by search engines, including Google and YouTube, to find keywords for SEO. Next is the subscribe button on your YouTube videos. There are two locations for the subscribe button. The first appears by default directly below the video. The second appears as a transparent subscribe button on the bottom right of the actual video. This subscribe button drastically increases my clients' subscription rates, but you do have to manually upload this. So go to youtube.com/branding and click the Add a Watermark button and upload a .png no background image. Select when you want it to display. I suggest entire video, then click Update. Next are YouTube channel keywords. So go to studio.youtube.com, click Settings in the left sidebar, then in that pop-up, select Channel. Here, add keywords relevant to your YouTube channel you want your channel to rank for in search results. So now that your video and channel is optimized, it is time to share this video. The more places you can share your video, the better. Send it to your email list, post it on social media, share it in forums like Reddit, answer Quora.com questions with your video, use promoted ads on Facebook, Google, and so on. The first 48 hours can make or break your video, so promote it as soon as possible. YouTube's search algorithm does factor social media shares, so at minimum, share this YouTube video URL on your brand's Twitter account and Facebook page, and then like these posts. One more YouTube algorithm hack. With your own account, create a comment on your video. Then like that comment, heart it, and then pin that comment for another boost in YouTube search results. I like to comment a question that includes my main keyword to get other YouTube users to engage and comment. So for this example, what are your Facebook retargeting questions? Facebook retargeting was my main keyword in my title, in my description, in my tags, and I use it in one final place, a comment. And make sure to like and heart all of your video comments. Try to reply to every comment, good or bad. YouTube loves engagement. Make sure to check out Coursenvy.com for other great resources. Thanks for checking out Coursenvy. Please take 1 second to like, subscribe, and comment anything below. These 3 things are the key to getting your videos to rank higher in YouTube search results.